Question. My 24-year-old daughter hasn't had a job due to COVID since March. I'm trying to be positive and help her, but my help seems like a negative trigger for her, and she just does the opposite or does not take my suggestions. I think I'm more stressed out over her not having a job than she is. How do I get out of this mode and be helpful to her? We think it is a good thing that you've explained even in your question to us how you understand how all of this works. It's obvious, isn't it, that as what you're observing makes you feel that stress or worry, that since that is your place on the emotional scale and therefore is your point of attraction, that's what you are primarily getting back from her. In other words, when you say, I really want you to find work that is pleasing to you, that pays well for you, but I don't think it's likely you're going to find it, that is a negative trigger for her. And even though you don't say those words, you offer that vibration. That's what your split energy does. I want her to find a job, but I don't believe she will. I want her to find a job, but it doesn't look like she's making any effort to do that. So your split energy is your negative trigger. You said, I'm trying to be positive, and we know that you are. But when you're trying to do something and not doing it, that's a negative trigger. It gets complicated, doesn't it? Because she wants to please you. She wants you to appreciate her. She knows that she isn't, doesn't quite know what to do about it. In other words, can't get there through action. She can't get there through action. So you have to do one of two things in order to stop being that negative trigger. You have to stop thinking about it altogether and free her from your split energy. Or you have to clean up your energy. Those are the only options. Making a list of positive aspects will help for sure. Finding other things that you're thinking about that feel good to you will help for sure. And we also know that this attention to this subject is helping you to realize that it's not just this subject of your daughter that lands you on the emotional scale where you are landing. It's other things too. So getting a handle on this is going to clean up some things that you've got going from other directions or other subjects or topics.